Dear viewers, I'm Ooni, and this is IfeCityBlog TV. I want to show you a massive, gigantic, ultra-modern hall that is now seated in the palace of His Imperial Majesty, the Oodua Adumula. This building was said to have cost over R1 billion to be completed.
The prototype for this magnificent edifice, named Oodua Heritage House, was unveiled by billionaire magnate and philanthropist Sir Dr. Kensington Adebutu, popularly known as Baba Ijebu, in October 2019 to commemorate his conferment with the most prestigious chieftaincy title in Yoruba land, the Odole Oodua, by the Ooni of Ife, His Imperial Majesty, the Arole Oduduwa Olofi Adimula Ooni Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi Ojaja II. Now, we can see this as a form of giving back to the people of Ile-Ife and, of course, to the Yoruba race in general.
This massive building you are seeing right here is a multi-purpose building. It's a multi-purpose hall in the sense that it contains the banquet hall. This space we are right here is the banquet hall, which of course has a stage for your performance, so you can do your performance. Then the other wing, this particular wing, it comprises of offices, conference rooms, museums, library, and of course an archive. This place you're seeing right here is the admin section in case you want to make a request or you want to make an inquiry.
The Royal Banquet Hall is built to taste with modern architectural features with external Egyptian columns. So we have the Royal Banquet Hall that will be taking a capacity of about 800 to 1,000 persons at a time. It's a double volume hall with ceiling height approximately around 12 meters high ceiling. We have it with the chandeliers that is giving very nice lighting with great ambience. It's a flexible kind of structure that can be suited for multi-purposes depending on the kind of event that is being planned or coming up. And it's an ultra-modern mall. We stick to all details and specifications. We have 3 inverter central AC system that will be serving the entire banquet hall. It's over 120 kilowatts capacity to power these 3 gigantic AC units.
So thanks for watching, and if this is your first time of tuning into IfeCityBlog TV, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out when next we upload the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.